If crypto was really about ownership, why is it that most of the world's wealth have stayed outside of its walls for so long? Now, I ask this question because I'm introducing the concept of real-world assets, which is not a new thing, and it's obviously not the first time you're hearing it. Both houses, golds, bonds, art, machineries, even government debt have always existed. What changed is just how the ownership has been represented. If I'm being real with you right now, tokenization is nothing dramatic or even magical. It's just digital proof of ownership. That's all. Let me break it down further. An asset exists in the real world, but your token, that token is the representation of your right to that asset on chain. Mind you, the token does not create value. The value already exists. The token just mirrors it. Let's take gold as an example. With projects like Paxos Gold or even Tether Gold, each of these tokens are just gold sitting in a vault. So with this, one token equals 1 ounce. You can redeem it if you want, but you can also split it and trade it globally. Some of the real world assets are physical while some are not. The physical ones are like the gold, the art, the real estate, while some of the non-physical ones are the government bonds. You get the intellectual property and you also get the company shares. When some of these assets are tokenized, they become units that are owned, transferred, shared, and also settled faster than the traditional systems can even allow. You can tell this is already happening in real life because some of the real estate companies like the Realty and Labs Group, they let users own a fraction of their properties and also earn rental income based on what they hold. When it comes to the traditional aspects, companies like Securitize are already bringing traditional funds on chain, and they also partnered with BlackRock. In art, platforms like the Masterwork and the Mecenas allow exposure to high value pieces without ownership of the entire work. In collectibles, Core ER tokenizes graded trading cards. Mind you, these cards, they sit in storages, like they are very, very safe, while the users can use them in trading, and also they can be able to redeem their items at any time, any day. But there are limits and they matter too. In fact, the biggest challenge here is trust. Honestly, projects that provide proof of reserve or even redemption, they're already setting the standards, and some of them are Paxos Gold, like I mentioned earlier, Tether Gold, and also Core ER. Places like Switzerland, Singapore, Hong Kong, the UAE, they're already fast and way ahead because they have legal clarity, and honestly, to move at scale, you need the court to approve. According to CoinMarketCap, these are some of the real world asset tokens that are topping the chart. To be very frank with you, I think that real world assets makes crypto to move with law, custody, settlement, and even responsibility, and you know what that means. And this is why institutions are paying attention right now, because financial infrastructure, they are actually very slow, fragmented, and very expensive. We all know that tokenization is not going to change everything overnight, but one thing we're sure about is that it's rebuilding ownership step by step. I hope this was very helpful, and I hope it was not complex and it was very, very easy to digest and understand. See you next time.